Hello, children. How are you? Hope you all are fit and fine. Our today's topic is about vegetables. Now, tell me, what is a vegetable? A vegetable is a plant or a part of plant which is used as food. So, let's learn one poem of vegetables. Vegetables, vegetables we have seen, some so red and some so green. Vegetables, vegetables make us strong, some are round and some are long. Vegetables, vegetables green and fresh, they can be eaten plain or dressed. Vegetables, vegetables we have seen, some so red and some so green. Children, let's learn spellings of some vegetables. Our first vegetable is potato. Children, potatoes grow under the ground and kids like potato chips. Potatoes are brown in color. So let's learn spelling of potato. First we will write P-O, po. Then we will write T-A, ta. Then T-O, to. Join and write potato. Here two chance you will write potato, potato. Our second vegetable is tomato. It is red in color. It can be eaten raw as well as cooked. It is also used to make tomato ketchup. So let's learn spelling of tomato. Children, let's learn spelling of tomato. T-O, to. Then you will write M-A, may. Now you will write T-O, to. Now join and write tomato, tomato. Here two times you will write tomato, tomato. Okay? Our next vegetable is brinjal. Children, brinjal is also called eggplant. Its color is either purple or light green. What is its shape? It is oval in shape. It is usually eaten cooked. Okay, now we will learn spelling of brinjal. First we will write B-R, br. Then I-N, in. After that you will write J-A-L, jal. So join and write brinjal. Two times you will write brinjal. How you will learn this spelling? B-R-I-N, brin. J-A-L, jal. Brinjal. Which vegetable is this? It is onion. Children, onion is also a vegetable that grows under the ground. It is used to make curries and salad. It has a strong smell. Now learn spelling of onion. In a word onion, O says a. It's not O. Okay, children? So O-N, un. And I-O-N, yen. It's onion. So two times you will write onion, onion. Let's repeat spelling once again. O-N, un. I-O-N, yen. Onion. Okay, it's onion. Our next vegetable is carrot. Children, like potatoes, carrots are also grown under the ground. Carrot is orange in color. Carrots are used to make salad and fruit juices. It is good for our eyes. So now let's learn spelling of carrot. Children, first you will write C-A-R, car. Okay, C-A-R, car. Then you will write R-O-T, rut, carrot. It's carrot. So join and write carrot. Again you will write carrot. Okay, children, our last vegetable is pea. Peas are round in shape and green in color. Peas are rich in vitamin and mineral. Now let's learn spelling of pea. First you will write P says P. Then you will write E-A-E. You know vowel digraph E-A says E. So join and write P-E-A-P. P-E-A-P. Children, now you have learnt about importance and spellings of some vegetables. Now promise me that daily you will eat fruits and vegetables, because fruits and vegetables keep us healthy, wealthy and wise. Now you write spellings of these vegetables in your notebook. So that's all for today. Bye bye.